A blessed day, learners. Be ready and prepare yourself as we embark, learn, and enjoy this video. This time we study the general education bullets. English, set 5. Be safe, and God bless you always. This is Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. Allegory is a symbolic fictional account conveying meaning/s beyond the literal. Alliteration is the repetition of the same sounds at the beginning of words in lines of poetry and even in prose. Among crane, brine, pristine and quarantine, brine sounds like fine. An audience should be regarded as people who have views different from you. An early tragedy about two teenage star-crossed lovers which end with their suicides, uniting rival households of a long-running family feud is Romeo and Juliet. Rodel would read any book or magazine he could lay his hands on and read from cover to cover in one sitting, therefore, he is such a voracious reader. Assumption does not belong with the words summary, synthesis, and generalization because all of them connotes wrapping up a particular text. At the Philippine General Hospital, doctors reported on the abandoned patients, which mean the patients are left behind by relatives. Avoiding challenging tasks is not characteristic of people with a strong sense of self-efficacy. Banks provide convenient service to customers 24 hours a day via ATMs. Becky Sharp, the main character of the novel Vanity Fair by Thackeray, has been trying to forget about her first love, but she knows that doing so takes a lifetime. The verb is in present perfect progressive tense. Bienvenido Santos is a Filipino migrant writer whose fiction stories reflect the Filipinos' concepts of American culture. Children who have been watching a lot of television would likely suffer from short attention span. Christian faith was the central focus of much of Philippine literature during the Hispanic colonial period. Classical is an artistic tradition that seeks to revive past glory in various forms. Considering the Tayo-Tayo mentality of the Filipinos, one goal for change that should be worked on is to develop a sense of common good. De Maupassant was the foremost French short story writer. Democracy was the dream realized by Nelson Mandela. Don Quixote, the hero of Cervantes' immortal novel, rode forth to defend the oppressed and right the wrong. Drama appears to be the most interesting co-curricular activity of the year. During seminars or lecture forums, you should clarify what you didn't understand by waiting for the open forum to politely ask questions. Edgar Allan Poe is known as the father of horror/detective stories. Among his famous works are Annabel Lee, The Raven, The Fall of the House of Usher, and The Cask of Amontillado. Editorial section is the part of the newspaper where you can see the opinions of people. Educational psychology is the application of the principles of theories of human behavior in teaching and learning. Egyptian literature is identified as Mediterranean literature. Emily Dickinson is known for her candor about some issues on poetic freedom, meaning she exhibits frankness. Emphatic verbs are used to give certain emphasis like do, does, and did. Equating the artist as an improviser means he/she selects subjects at random. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic on general education bullets. If you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.